Hello friends, today I'm going to show you a very interesting tip on how to clean the engravings of the lens, because if you do like me, I like going into flea markets and checking around the internet and try to find very good lenses at very cheap. This is the body of a Nikkor 85mm 1.8, which is a beautiful lens. This one was with fungus. Well, it is not mine, it was sent to me for repair, and I guess the owner got it also really cheap. And the lens was with fungus, and you have done a fantastic job just getting the optics up and running, but the body of the lens still doesn't really look very good, like in this case here. And on this photo, that is also the video cover. You can see the engravings are really dirty. Okay, my tip to clean that without having to disassemble the whole lens is just to use a mixture of distilled water and alcohol. Well, I always use these lens clean bottles for many things, but this one is just distilled water and alcohol. And I have a very little brush that lets me just to manage very well where I want to put the things. And so I apply this mixture of isopropyl alcohol and distilled water. I think the ratio is half and half. And then what I do is just with a very small brush, bit hard actually. You can do this with an old toothbrush as well. Then I go sweep a bit. And the engravings start to look really good. Now I'm going to do the rest. I'm going to fast forward that so you see and get exactly an idea on how I do. You can even use an electric toothbrush. Wipe with isopropyl alcohol. And then just let us take a closer look at the picture we had in the beginning, and here you go the results. So here's a very simple method to clean the engravings of your lenses. So this is all I wanted to show you today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.